The emphasis in Ujjayi is the control in the throat, as it says in the text, the Krishta, as such. And then there's a resulting sound, Saswanam. So the point isn't to make a sound, where some of you might be, but many are not making, like it's not very audible. You just, yeah. So when you slightly contract the glottis in a comfortable level, the diaphragm works deeper, and as a result, there's a larger volume of breath coming through a smaller passage. So by that alone, there should be a sound. Okay? So if you do it correctly. So the things to check are, is your tongue pretty free in your mouth? You know, your chin isn't doing any funny movements here. Okay? It's just... If you want to say hello, you keep your lips closed. And then with the breath coming strong through the nose, there should be an automatic sound without any strain in the larynx, pharynx, throat region. And then of course Ujjayi pranayama specifically asks you to exhale out the left nostril. But the sound is present for both inhale, without feeling any bunch up of your tongue. Yeah? And if you start to bunch up your tongue, then you go. Right? Now I just kind of pulled my tongue back. I got a bit tense in my soft palate, and you heard a sound with the mouth. You can see, I'll exaggerate, but I'm getting a bit. It's like I'm worried about something. Uh-oh. Then usually the exhale from that goes. And then if you're not doing that at all, then it's just kind of casual breathing. There's got to be full breath through the nose with the control, and then you should hear it, but not in a forceful way. Hopefully you can hear this now. Even if I do shitali, the exhale is also used. Of course, when I'm at the end, it's like squeezing a sponge. The volume has decreased, but naturally the friction will reduce. So it doesn't just stop, which is controlled by your lower abdomen. Then you're ready for whatever the next round. And if you want, you can use the control in Surya Vedana, Chandra Vedana, Nadi Shurana as well. But specifically in Ujjayi, pranayama, it's recommended in the exhale of Shiva.
And also it helps you to double the breath. Because